Today I'm making coconut twist donuts. First I'm going to make the glaze, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined and then put this to the side for later. Next I have some pizza dough on a floured surface. I'm going to cut the pizza dough into 6 pieces. Then I'm going to take a piece of the pizza dough and roll it into a log, and then I'm going to fold it in half and twist it up. Then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the pizza dough. Next I have a fry pan with some vegetable oil in it that's been heating up at medium heat. I'm going to add the donuts into the fry pan and let them cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes I'm going to flip over the donuts and let them cook on the other side. Once the donuts are done cooking, I'm going to add them onto a cookie sheet with a paper towel to drain off the excess oil, and then I'm going to continue making the donuts. Now that the donuts are done, I'm going to take a donut and dip it in the glaze, and then I'm going to dip it in some sweetened shredded coconut and then put it on a plate. Then I'm going to repeat the process with the rest of the donuts. Here's an up-close look at the coconut twist donut.